In the world of transport, the right partner makes all the difference. Next to our trailer equipment services, we also provide customized full-service truck solutions. Our strength lies in our integrated approach, providing all services needed during the life cycle of your truck. Services like flexible financing, maintenance and repair, digital solutions, and sale of used vehicles. We assist you in choosing the right options from various truck brands, granting you the freedom of choice. Across the extensive pan-European network, benefit from high-quality maintenance and repair services for smooth fleet operations. Together with our flexible leasing and rental solutions, we offer one of Europe's largest range of well-maintained used trucks. Our mission is to empower businesses to make environmentally responsible choices. Join our journey for a sustainable future. Lean on TIP Group's 55 years of industry expertise with trailer and truck services tailored to your needs. TIP, your trusted partner for trucks and trailers.